guys, Disney Collector here, and today we're gonna open some really cool toy surprises, Play-Doh surprises, and this new package from Shopkins Season 3. First, let's check out this new Shopkins. This is a 12-pack. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 Shopkins. 1, 2, 3, and 4 new shopping bags. The new basket. And inside we have 2 Shopkins surprises. Let's open here the 2 surprises. Our first Shopkin is Penny Pencil. This one is Molly Occasion. The new shopping basket is super adorable. Look, it's all glittery. The handles matches the shopping bags. Now let's take a closer look at the other Shopkins. Here's Noni Notebook. Susie Sunday. From International Foods, this is Taco Terry. Here's Toasty Bread. Another international food. This is Susie Sushi. Snug Ugg. Lana Banana Bread. Tony Topper. Sweet Pea. And Bonnie Barrett. Altogether we got 12 Shopkins, 4 little bags, and 1 adorable shopping basket. Well, time to open the other surprises. Let's start with the Season 2 Shopkins blind bag. Here's the shopping checklist. 1 little shopping bag and 1 Shopkin. This is Fasta Pasta. 1 Kinder Surprise. delicious Kinder chocolate. We got here a little motorbike. And a flyer. My Little Pony chocolate surprise. This is Mr. Hoover's. And one My Little Pony flyer. PeppaPig chocolate surprise. Milk chocolate. Inside we have Nurse Peppa. This is a miniature Peppa. And right here we have a flyer. LPS Fashems. We have a little puppy. Super squishy. PeppaPig Clay Buddies blind bag. With this set, we can make Zoe Zebra. Here's the purple clay. With this clay, we're gonna make Zoe's little dress. And this is how you make a clay buddy. Zoe only comes with one hand. Tail. And legs. One and two. See? Zoe Zebra. Disney Princess Fashems. This is Belle from Beauty and the Beast. My Little Pony Fashems. We just got Rainbow Dash. Now let's check out what we have in this PlayDough surprises. Red PlayDough. This is Clover from Sophia the First. yellow Play-Doh, this is a Shopkin, the popcorn. This popcorn lights up. Super cool. Blue Play-Doh. We just got Olaf. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more toy surprises.